How to find your password on Fortnite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to find your password on Fortnite. To start the password reset process, click here. Enter the email associated with your account in the email address field. Then, click on the Send Email. You will receive an email with instructions on how to reset your password. In the password reset email, click on Reset Password or copy and paste the link to your browser to go to the page. You'll be redirected to a web page to choose a new password. A Reset Your Password pop-up displays. Enter a new password into the New Password field. The password must have more than 7 characters, including at least one number, at least one letter, and no spaces. Enter the same password in the Verify New Password field. After that, click on Reset Password. This will update your password and sign you in. You will also receive a confirmation email about the successful password change. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.